So you have just finished watching a series on Netflix, and once again it's time for you to make that overwhelming decision of what to watch next. As you were scrolling through the screens of Netflix, I'm sure you have noticed this. And you may have wondered what these numbers even mean. Well, I'm sure I can explain. Yes, matrix factorization. As the name suggests, the idea behind it is to decompose a specific matrix into discrete matrices, primarily to ease analysis, have a focused representation, and to save storage space. Picturize a dataset of 1,000 movies and 400 different users. Without any form of decomposition, it would take over 400,000 different entries. One introduce simple decomposition factors called latent factors, and one can reduce those significantly to just 7,000. I know, still sounds like a lot, but introduce complex decomposition models and factors like this, and one can subsequently funnel it down further. In the years 2006 through 2009, a competition, Netflix Prize, was held, which intended to award $1 million to the participants who could improve Netflix's original recommender system the most. A commonly used matrix factorization technique by all of the participants in the competition was singular value decomposition. Consider this formula. It represents the basic mathematical expression of singular value decomposition. Here, parent matrix A is shown to be equal to the sum of the user into rank matrix, rank into item matrix, and the key matrix sigma that provides user bias. More graphically, one can show parent matrix A to be the sum of multiple individual products of these matrices. However, big databases like that of Netflix's don't need to update their matrices on addition of a new user. The changes in sigma are almost negligible. Another more common matrix factorization technique used these days is the deeper decomposition model, which uses both explicit interactions like ratings and implicit interactions like individual user bookmarks, watched or skipped videos. Even Amazon e-commerce, Prime Video, and Your Daily Mix on Spotify make extensive use of such recommender systems. One can even relate this to basic association rules followed in the tourism industry. For instance, a select group of tourists tend to travel to nearby destinations all in a single trip. As in when tourists from India travel to Singapore, they're often seen adding Malaysia to their itinerary as well. Such innate abilities of math are what make it universal. It is what has made it possible for us to keep count of the length of this video, and it will probably fuel our next expedition to the Proxima Galaxy. I am Mayank Roy, and thank you for watching.